Be it a D enthusiast, hobbyist or professional, the staple gun is a must-have versatile hand tool in their arsenal. It works best in fastening materials where nail guns won't do well. They are used in any D projects like arts, crafts, wood, masonry, upholstery, wood, holiday decorations, laying carpet, delicate moldings or installing house wrap to fasten the joints, and thereby increase its sturdiness. There are many products available to choose from. Best wheel locks, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric eye massagers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Eham Staple Gun. When it comes to pneumatic tools, Eham is one of the reliable brands. Though it is a lesser known brand, their products are known to be the best in budget-friendly variant. Their staple gun has featured as our third product because of its high-quality chrome steel construction and chrome finish. This tool can accept T-shaped pin brad, D-type and U-type nails, which are suitable for completing different tasks that include upholstery, roofing, decorating, crafting and others. It comes with a slip-resistant handle and jam-resistant mechanism, which makes it easy and convenient to operate. It comes with a quick U window, so you can check the number of nails available in the staple gun. A handle lock is also provided to prevent any accidental firing. Pros. Number 2. Newmaster Electric Staple Gun. Newmaster is another popular brand that develops power tools, battery pack tools, paint sprayer, heat gun, glue gun, and brad stapler. The brand's products are known for their stylish and ergonomic design, along with their superior performance. This is a versatile gun that allows you to perform 2-in-1 functions, stapling and nailing. Its versatility allows you to use the gun for a wide range of applications, including insulation, sheet installation, lightweight trim attachment, and general repairs. The staple gun is highly efficient and is capable of delivering 30 shots per minute. With this speed, you can quickly and conveniently complete all of your stapling tasks. Even if you do not have any experience in using a gun, you will quickly get accustomed to operating this tool. Thanks to the quick release mechanism, as soon as you press the trigger, it will start driving the shots. Besides, the staple gun has a molded grip that allows you to operate it for long hours without any fatigue. There is a viewing window through which you can check the time for refilling the magazine and the quality of nails. It comes with 200 nails and 336 staples. The NTC0060 staple gun is backed with a 2-year warranty from the date of purchase. Number 3. Stanley Electric Staple Gun. Stanley is another popular brand that has been developing home improvement and renovation tools for general maintenance and home construction for the past 175 years. The brand designs products for professional as well as D applications. This is a heavy-duty electric staple comb braid nail gun that can be used for multiple applications. The tool is compatible with Aero T50 heavy-duty staples and 5/8, 9/16, and 1/2 inches brads. The electric staple gun comes with an anti-jam mechanism, so that you don't waste your precious time while operating the tool. It features a dual power level that allows you to staple hard as well as soft materials. The staple gun is plugged into the electrical socket using an 8-feet power cord. This gives you a lot of freedom to move the staple gun without being restricted by a short power cord. For stapling in tight spots, the staple gun features a flush nose design that. Number 4. WorkPro Cordless Staple Gun. WorkPro is a popular manufacturer of office supplies and equipment to help you maximize your potential and do your best work. The brand's products are known for their easy assembly and long-lasting features. This is a versatile staple gun with 6-in-1 functions. The staple gun comes with an automatic power switching feature that makes it compatible with 6 different kinds of nail staples, including T20, T25, T50, JT21, brad nail BN18. Because of this versatility, you can use this staple gun for different purposes, such as yard work, construction jobs, carpeting, upholstery, and weather stripping. The staple gun is lightweight with 2.86 pounds for easy handling, and maneuvering it into tight spots and corners. The quick release loading magazine allows for faster staple installation. Furthermore, you can monitor the staple level through the transparent window. Number 5. Metabo HPT Stapler. Metabo is one of the most popular brands of power tools that is known to make heavy-duty and industrial equipment. You can also find a great staple gun offering from Metabo. HPT or Hitachi Power Tools offers great performance with its Metabo N3804AB3 pneumatic finish stapler. Since it is a finish stapler, it uses thin 1/4 inch narrow crown staples. These 18-gauge staples can have a length of 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch, that is quite high. As a result, this finish stapler can be used for almost all kinds of applications and requirements. But the best thing about the Metabo HPT finish stapler is that it comes with a 5-year-long warranty. When combined with its great build quality, you can expect this staple gun to last much longer than most other options out there. This magazine can hold up to 100 staples at a time that can save a lot of time, as you do not have to refill it again and again. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.